If you need an instant bed for guests, look no further. The self-inflating mattress with built-in frame is a dream. It has controls to adjust firmness, the frame is super sturdy, it has space to store luggage, and it self-deflates and has wheels for easy storage. Like and comment, shop for a link.
Amazon Travel Finds. This is the world's first 6-in-1 travel chair. It comes inside this nifty carrying case that takes up the space of a single folding chair. Just toss it and you have enough seating for everyone. Great for sporting events, camping, tailgating, and more.
Amazon must-have kitchen organization. Say goodbye to messy Tupperware lids with this bamboo lid organizer. The customizable dividers allow you to sort lids by shapes and sizes so you don't waste time searching for the right one. Tired of cluttered cabinets? These acrylic water bottle racks and under-a-shelf drawers are game changers. They're stackable to custom fit the height of your cabinets and keep your water bottles tidy. The under-shelf drawers allow you to maximize your cabinet space, and they can be placed under shelves, cabinets, and even desks. Linking it for you now. Amazon Kitchen Favorite. This genius gadget makes it easy to transport and serve your food at holiday gatherings. When you're ready to serve, the lid can be removed and used as a trivet. There are many inserts available to accommodate deviled eggs or even charcuterie boards or veggie trays. The lids lock securely and hot and cold packs can be placed underneath. The pans are also stackable, allowing you to transport them safely with no messes. Linking them for you now.
Look at this adorable glass self-stirring coffee mug. It can evenly and quickly stir coffee, tea, protein powder, and other powdered drinks too. It's equipped with a plastic wood-style handle and a spill-proof lid. Nothing like that first sip feeling.